Welcome to this short demo of the Ozone API Sandbox. In this video, we're going to show you how to navigate the developer portal and access the Ozone API Sandbox. And we'll talk about the Postman setup and configuration so that you can connect to the open banking APIs. So let's start by clicking through to the developer portal. Here you'll find an introduction to the Ozone API Sandbox and a series of steps to get started and help build your understanding of open banking. It includes links to the customer experience guidelines, in this case for the UK Open Banking Standard, and a link to the OpenID Foundation FAPI profile, the security profile behind many of the world's open banking standards. On the left-hand side, you can access the documentation. For example, account and transaction API documentation, payment initiation, confirmation of funds, and variable recurring payments, as well as the API reference guide, which will give you all the detail you need to understand these APIs. We also have the resources section, which gives you links to the self-service portal, as well as video guides covering all of the steps to access the Ozone API Sandbox. In the FAQ section, you'll find the most common questions and answers. So that was a short tour of the developer portal, covering the steps to get you more familiar with the concepts of open banking, along with how-to guides to access the self-service portal and connect to the Ozone API Sandbox.